The three kidnapped laborers of Bharatiya Infra Project Limited were freed safe and sound today after 5 days in captivity of an underground group. NSCN Reformation is alleged to have abducted the laborers. As per reports, the trio were kidnapped by 5 heavily armed cadres of NSCN Reformation from a worksite at gunpoint on March 6 until they were released this morning somewhere in the vicinity of Kangpope police station. Bharatiya Infra Project Limited has been tasked with road improvement work on the Imphal-Dimapur highway stretch from Mau to Kobru. The 3 laborers were identified as lamjingbatomtv, age 45 years, resident of Yaripok Top Singthak; Komantem Gipen, age 37 years, resident of Yaripok Top Oinam Thong Lerak; and Sinam Bijoy, age 39 years, resident of Sagol Tongba. It may be mentioned that several civil society organizations had protested against the kidnapping of laborers. They had also blocked National Highway No. 2 Imphal-Dimapur Road, demanding the authorities to secure release of the trio.